In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to do a bloom technique using a different cell activator. Coming up. Hi, my name is Susan King, and if this is your first visit to my channel, thanks for stopping by and welcome. This YouTube channel is mostly about acrylic pouring, and today I will be showing you how to do a bloom technique using a different cell activator. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to show you the ingredients I'm using and the paint colors. I'm using Arteza paints, and I'm only using two. Ultramarine blue and Prussian blue. That's my two colors. I'll be using white base coat, Glidden Premium Interior, Satin. That's my base coat. My pouring medium is Glidden Premium Accent Base Semi-Gloss Interior Paint and Atelier Gloss Varnish. My cell activator is going to be, I am trying Gesso, acrylic gesso, excuse me, mixed with Floetrol. Just those two, no paint. My sister discovered the gesso worked with just water. So what I'm doing today is I'm adding Floetrol instead of water for my cell activator. My recipe will be in the description below the video. And there is, I just want to say there is a few links in my description, Arteza links to their website for products, and I have a 10% off coupon code also in my description if you want to use that. And that's it. So I will begin. Okay, I'm going to begin with the pillow. Just want to show you, I put push pins in the bottom. I'm going to see how it works on the spinner. And then also so that it doesn't stick to the tray that I'm drying it on. So, seems to spin okay, just centering it. Okay. Doesn't look like I have air bubbles, but I'm just gonna give it a quick pass over with the torch, just in case there's one or two and I missed it. I'm also gonna do it after I put the paint on, because this one color that I have, it is the Prussian blue phthalo. Seems to have a lot of air bubbles. I don't know why. I'm going to put that one on top, and I've got the blue, the ultramarine. this is the ultramarine blue. A little bit more. This is the Prussian blue phthalo. That'll work. So now I'm going to add the Cell Activator. Just gonna add a touch more. I have to get something. All right, that's good enough. One little spot I had to fix. All right, I'm gonna bring you back up again. Seems to be working. Not even sure I need to spin anymore. I kind of like the white around the edge. That's very cool. So it does work, Gesso and American Floetrol. I did half and half. Yeah, I like it. I think it's just fine the way it is. Show you a close-up. It's pretty. And as always, I will show you the dried results at the end of the video. So keep watching. Hello, I'm back with the dried results. Dried nice and smooth. Dried really well. Bring you down for a close-up. The Gesso and Floetrol really worked well for a cell activator. The next thing I'm going to try is the Gesso Floetrol, and I'm going to add paint to it, either black or titanium white. So I'll try that next and see how it goes. So thank you for watching my video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button. You also can check out my other videos that are popping up on the screen right now, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.